Good morning children, how are you all? Hope all you are fine. For class 3 children and second lesson worksheets children, all of them open worksheet books, page number 5. The little red kite. Already we complete this lesson, right? So from this lesson, today I am going to tell 2 worksheets. Okay, all of them open worksheets and do along with me. Do this along with me. Read the passage. First bit is read the passage. Here they given a passage, you have to answer to the passage question answers what you have to do. Okay, see here, Bhuta and keep the finger or pencil children so that you will understand clearly. Bhuta and Harbir live in Amritsar in Punjab. Their festival of Basant is very special for them. The kite flying competition are held during this time. Bhuta and Harbir love flying kites. Yes, a huge fair is organized and beautiful kites are sold there. But Bhuta and Harbir like to make their own kites. 2 days before the festival, they buy colorful kite paper and strings. They work very hard so that their kites look the best. On the day of the festival, Bhuta and Harbir wear yellow kurtas, which are dyed at home with turmeric powder. Okay, their mother prepares sweets and saffron rice for the puja. Bhuta and Harbir fly their kites all day. The neighborhood echoes with the cheerful laughter of children and grown-ups. Okay, so what you understand about this passage children? Here Bhuta and Harbir are 2 friends. They used to live in Amritsar in Punjab. Okay, so the famous festival they celebrate is Basant. On the day they used to fly the kites. Okay, they love to fly the kites, and also they wear kurtas, yellow kurtas, and that were colored with turmeric. That were dyed in a turmeric water, so that turns into yellow. Okay, so and on the day of Basant, their mother prepared sweet items and saffron rice. Okay, so now we have to answer the questions below they given. Tick the correct answers. Okay, like this first they'll give the question, we have to tick the correct answers. First one, Bhuta and Harbir live in Amritsar, Chandigarh, Ludhiana. Yes, where they used to live in Amritsar. The kite flying competition is held during the festival of Basant, Nag Panchami, Diwali. Basant. Next, Bhuta and Harbir went wear green kurtas, yellow kurtas, red kurtas. Yellow kurtas, they dye in the turmeric powder. Yes, that is yellow kurtas. Stick beside yellow kurtas. Fourth one, their mother prepares dash for the puja. What does their mother prepare? Their mother prepared sweet and saffron rice, cake and pudding, seviya. What she prepared? She prepared sweets and saffron rice. Tick beside saffron, sweets and saffron rice. Next, write true or false. Bhuta and Harbir don't like to fly kites. No, they like to fly kites. False. They buy kites from the market. Yes, they buy kites from the market. No, false. They buy kites from in a fair. They buy kites in a fair. They wear blue kurtas. What does they wear, children? They wear yellow kurtas. So this is also false. A huge fair is organized in the city. True. Okay, turn the page, children. Next one. Word wise. Find the opposites of these words in the word search. Here the given box. Here you have to circle. First, close. They given some 6 words, children. For this 6 words you have to write opposite word. That you have to search in this box. Yes, first close opposite. Close opposite. Open. O-P-E-N. Open. Circle and write open. O-P-E-N. Open. Next, laugh opposite cry. C-R-A-Y. Cry. cray, cry. Next, near, far. Near, far. Tall, short. Come opposite, go. Next, bottom opposite, top. Okay, next bit, match the pictures with the farces. Okay, match the pictures with the farces. Here they given some pictures and according to the pictures you have to match them. So children, see here, first picture what she is doing, she is listening to the music. A small radio is beside to her and she is listening to the music. So is there listening to the music word? Yes, it is there, listening to the music. Next, a boy is flying a kite. Yes, a boy is flying a kite. Fly a kite. Next, one more boy is washing the clothes. Wash clothes. B. Next, a lady is preparing a food or cooking something. So, cook food. Option A. Next, a girl is sleeping on a cot, on a bed. Sleep soundly. Yes. Next, circle the correct spelling in each set. Breezy, breeze, B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. This is the correct. Circle this. Next, breezy, breezy. These are wrong spellings. These only breeze is a correct spelling. Next, tremble, 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 trembly, tremble, T-R-E-M-B-L-E. This is the correct. Dragged, D-R-A-G-G-E-D, dragged, D-R-A-G-G-A-D, D-R-G-G-A-D. These are all these are wrong. D-R-A-G-G-E-D, dragged is a right. Next, skipped, 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 skipped. S-K-I-P-P-E-D, skipped is the right one. Yes, so this is all about today, children. And if you turn the page here, first lesson you will be seeing worksheet number 4. Here this bit you have to do, children. What it means? See, children, write 5 sentences to describe your birthday party or your friend's birthday party. This is the passage you have to write about your birthday, yours or your friends. You describe here. Here they given some questions. To that questions you answer and write here. Okay, this is today's homework. Write this homework and post it in the school WhatsApp number. Yes, so hope all you understand this. Do this and learn. Complete this homework. Okay, see you in the next class, children. Bye. Take care.